80 years old. 115 miles per hour. And a $300,000 Bentley turned into scrap metal. Newly released bodycam footage shows the moment WWE legend Vince McMahon caused a high-speed disaster. The scene, July 24, Connecticut. Vince's Bentley was weaving through traffic like a maniac before slamming into a BMW. The impact was so violent, the other car was launched 100 yards off the road.
Just stay in the car. Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
All right. Why were you driving over 100 miles an hour?
It's my granddaughter's birthday. I got to get this the next exit.
Right. Did you see me trying to catch up to you behind you?
I didn't see that. I saw lights, but it didn't look normal.
All right. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up to you, and you keep taking off.
Oh, no. I'm not trying to outrun you.
I know. I understand that, but that's why I was very confused. All right? Because it wasn't like you were running. It was just like you almost hit, I think, 115 miles an hour. All right? And then you just hit someone because you weren't paying attention. Were you looking at your phone?
No, trying to drive. No, I'm not looking at my phone.
The person was right in front of you. There's got to be a reason you hit him.
No. I haven't been driving my car in God knows how long.
All right. It was right in front of you. You went straight at it at 100 miles an hour. I'm just making sure you're not having a medical condition or anything.
I don't think
Do you need an ambulance?
No, fuck, I don't think so.
All right. Just your registration. Is your license in here?
No, it's in my pocket.
All right.
I've been driven this car quite some time.
It's fast, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, too fast. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Need everything else?
Yeah, let's get him to your car.
Okay.
We'll wait for the information. Once we give you the information, you guys can take off.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Thank you very much.
So you can hop out. You're going to go back to his car. What was that?
Someone hurt.
No one's hurt. No one's hurt.
Can I pull right over here so he doesn't...
Yeah. That's fine. He's going to bring it a little closer to you, sir. No, yeah, luckily no one's hurt.
Tell me you want me to get out?
Yeah, he's going to bring the car a little closer.
Okay, all right.
And you don't need an ambulance or anything? You're not hurt? All right. Maybe tomorrow you'll be a little sore.
Yeah, probably.
Where's your granddaughter live?
Yeah, but she lives in Weston.
Weston?
Yeah, next exit up. Then you go the back way, and she's only 10 minutes from here.
Oh, yeah. All right, I can get you. You can go to his car now. You need anything else from inside? You good? Need a hand?
I'm good.
You good?
Well, no one's hurt. That's
That's the most
biggest,
important
yes.
thing.
Hey, Pete. No, they're not. He said he was taking both, so they won't. They're gonna wait in the assistance car over here. All right. Yeah.
We don't have anything in here.
Oh yeah, it is. Yep. Yeah, it definitely is.
Thank you for your help, officer.
Oh yeah, of course.
Sorry, it happened.
Yeah, it happened. No? like we said, no one's hurt, so.
Most important, right?
Thank you, man.
Yep, no problem. And just stay put, yeah. He'll bring all the paperwork and everything, all right?
Thank you.
And you don't need anything from that car, right?
No.
All right. Stay off the
You're
road.
state police, so I thought you were one of the guys involved in this.
No.
Holy shit. There's someone just smashed me.
I know, I saw it. I saw it.
Oh my God, you saw the whole thing? I am fine,
Is
but I'm
anyone injured?
shaking.
Is
No,
anyone else with you?
my dog.
All right.
The dog
Who's
seems
this
fine.
white car?
He was a helpful bystander.
Yeah.
I started to walk down because I thought I saw you pulling.
No, I was trying to catch up to him because he was going so fast.
He was trying
Yeah.
to pull away and leave it?
No, he wasn't trying to leave. He was just going fast in his fast car.
It was terrifying.
All right.
I'm still like,
You're in this car, right?
My car's fine. It's her. I felt so bad. I was like,
If you want to leave a statement, you could stay for the trooper that's going to take the accident report.
so you just happen to be passing by.
Yeah, I'm going in right now. And,
Holy cow. I mean, I was just trying not
no, yeah, I
to
saw the whole thing.
tip over.
Oh, are you okay, baby?
I know.
Shelby?
Yeah.
Hi, Shelby.
Holy cow. Thank God. I'm fine.
Yeah, no, honestly, you're lucky he noticed it last second because he turned. If he hit you straight on, it would have been worse. So, the other troopers are coming. I don't have a computer to do an accident report, but if you grab your license, registration, and insurance, if you decide to stay to leave a statement with that trooper, you'll just need your license.
That's great. You saw the whole thing. The guy,
Yeah.
she said he was weaving and racing with another.
He was just going very fast.
Wow. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank goodness.
Your car's not damaged. You didn't get any debris, right?
no, my car's fine.
I thought I was going to get a lot of debris
So
too.
you were actually trying to pull him over.
I was trying to catch up to him to pull him over.
Oh my God. Can't believe that.
So I had the steady lights on, trying to catch up to
Yeah,
him.
and he wasn't.
And then I saw him going to your car. I was like, holy shit. And then,
Yeah.
Because he must have been texting or something and not looking down because he didn't see me.
yeah, something. All right, let's see. As long as everyone's all right. That's what I always say.
no.
Seen a lot worse on this.
I bet. I mean,
highway.
it could have been a lot worse because when I was trying to control the car and keep it on the side, I'm seeing this hill. I'm like, oh my God.
So I was like maybe 2 miles up. I saw this guy like swerving in and out.
Yep.
And I was like, oh my God. And then all of a sudden I just saw like a huge cloud of smoke.
Okay.
And I like knew it had to be. And then I saw her. She pulled her head over, and I just pulled over to see if she was okay. It's basically the
So
gist of it.
he was weaving in and
He
out.
was literally weaving in and out. It was.
What would you estimate his speed at compared to yours?
I mean, I was going probably like 65.
Yep.
He had to have been going 90 something.
Okay.
Literally in and out of traffic. It was kind of scary.
All right. Yep.
Yeah. Like, but he was weaving in and out, and I was like, oh my God. And then I saw this cloud of like dust and smoke, and I was like, oh, that's probably.
Do you remember the type of car you had?
It was like a compact now. I don't know.
Compact.
Yeah,
All right.
the guy's small.
There's the guy. Young guy, right?
He's an older gentleman.
Crazy.
Like
Yeah.
50s or 60s?
Maybe more.
Wow. Oh, do you think he's like...
No.
He was just... He's a...
Going
old
for a
risk taker. He's an
joyride.
old risk taker.
All right,
got
thank you.
two people here.
Good luck with everything.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for stopping.
Vince...
Yeah, he's the at-fault driver,
How do
number
you say his
3.
name? McMahon?
McMahon.
McMahon, even though it's spelled not...
Yeah, it's
McMahon.
yeah, it's M-A.
So he's the owner of the WWE?
Yeah, I don't know if he's like, I don't know if he sold part of it or, but
Gee, maybe
he's
my
big.
neck hurts after all.
Well, you
Just
can't do
kidding.
that now. You're on camera.
No,
but
I'm kidding. People do that all the time.
yeah, they do.
I've had people do that to me when I, you know, it's like...
He's lucky it was
I'm
you.
not that type. Anyway.
Is it okay if I park?
Just pull right in front of my car. Because it's over a bend over there. All right. He's all right though. Who's this? What's going on?
Here to pick up Mr. McMahon. If this is the...
Yeah, you can get off the next exit.
Okay.
And his assistant's up ahead.
Where is he?
He's up ahead of that. But you can't stop there. We don't have enough people to protect you guys up there.
All right. Would you mind if I just walked up there, though?
I would, yeah.
Okay.
I just don't want you to get hit.
Okay.
We've got a whole entourage here. Yeah, it's someone. I'm telling them to get off. we'll be getting out of here soon. I'll have his assistant take him off exit 41.
Yeah.
All right, and you can meet him there.
Thank you.
All right, it's just I don't want something like that to happen and hit you.
I hear you.
All right.
Thank
And what's your relation to him?
I'm his friend.
Friend. All right. Be careful of him. Yeah.
Oh my God. Who's this guy? I want to meet him.
No, don't. You can't go over there.
I can't?
No.
He should want to meet the person he hit.
I know. He's not happy about it. All he cared about was if you were hurt.
Well, that's
Yeah, it
still
was-
my appreciation.
Yeah, no, he meant no ill intention.
And the other guy told me who he is. So,
Yeah.
is he in that car?
Yeah. No, he
tell-
meant no ill. He's very upset.
Well, tell him I appreciate him asking.
All right.
So, anyway.
If you just wait over here, I'll see if I'll ask him, but I don't know.
He may want to. I would if I hit somebody,
Yeah.
but, you know, just tell him, you know, I'm fine.
All right. They both want to.
What?
He wants to say sorry.
Dude, you know, the car over there that guy hit? I guess that came in,
Yeah.
came over. One of his, he was wearing a WWE shirt, going to work.
No way.
I swear to God, dude. And he saw the name, this man, I was like, that can't be the same one. It can't be.
I was on my way to my granddaughter's birthday. There's only one exit up.
Hey, Mr. McMahon, how you doing? Hi. I'm the investigating trooper. Okay. So, how you doing? I know who you are. So.
Can you send out like Reddit's unit?
So Trooper Robbins, that was following in the unmarked vehicle, said you were doing over 100 miles an hour. All right, before you struck the vehicle. So. All right.
I'm talking to the officer. Talk to him.
All right, so I'm going to be issuing you a misdemeanor summons for reckless driving. Okay. So it's just going to take me about 10 minutes to write it up. I'll give you a court date, probably within 3 weeks or a month. Do you reside in Connecticut? I'm not sure. Okay, so it'll be, where are we? Westport?
Yeah.
All right, so it'll be the court right here. I'll give you the address and everything. All right, so just give me 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll get you out of here, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. All right. This is a summary of the accident. Upper left-hand corner of the case number. So that's where you get your hands. So, you know, on the front you were off the accident. Struck the other car, debris from that car, went over the other side, damaged the other car on the other side, right?
Was it debris from his car or her car?
Oh,
What I
right.
told you, this
His car,
Trooper
right?
Robbins was following me, had you at 100 miles an hour, which is reckless driving. All right, so I'm charging you with reckless driving. Following too closely resulting in an accident. That's just striking the other car from the rear. So your court date is going to be at Stanford Superior Court. That's 123.2. Is that date okay? If you have any problem, you can always call the court and change it.
37.
So this is just a court summons. With your copy, you can sign at the bottom. You're not saying you're guilty. You're saying you're going to go to court. Okay. And this is the appearance bond. All right. I'm releasing you on a $500 non-standing bond, which means you're not putting up any money. Court summons copy, just bring that to court, and that's your copy of it. All right, Mr. McMahon. It's nice meeting you. I'm sorry I was under this circumstances. All right, just let the court know what happened. Everybody's okay, yep. I know. All right. Have a good day, sir. Nice to meet you.
To meet you guys.
Yeah, no. Happy birthday to your granddaughter. Try to enjoy the rest of the day, all right?
Thank you.
All right.